My name is Nurul Hawani. I'm from the Innovative Engineering section from the Smart Manufacturing Center, SIRIM Industrial Research. I'm leading this section, and we are doing much more to the helping industry in shaping themselves and their journey towards to the Industry 4.0 and also the digital transformation. So what I learned, my experience here today, what we have is a very excellent forum that we have just now, and it includes all the governments, the industry, and maybe some from the academia sides. We are sharing ourselves in shaping how we do how our way forward of having this Malaysian vision of 2030 in having this data center and also cloud technology and the AI as well. So what we need to have is prepare ourselves starting right now, because the journey is will be soon. All right, will be soon. And then if let's say we don't equip ourselves from today, we'll be miss our boat after that. Okay, all right. Mainly what we actually people coming here to have is some knowledge on what's happening, what's the new trend, what's the new way forward, especially when we talk about people, when we talk about technology, when we talk about process. Because when having a data center or the cloud technologies, it's not not something that we tell about the ideation or the innovation or maybe how to execute it and how to prepare a well-established data center that can be used. Maybe because we're shaping our own vision, right? So when we're shaping our vision, we have to know everything in the groundwork and everything, and not to forget the sustainability growth of the data center. As you know that data center is our backbone. After this is our own data backbones, and we are known. It's not only Asia, Southeast Asia, and all. Okay, people are investing in Malaysia because of what we have and what we do, right? So for me myself, I'm from SIRIM. We are looking forward to the sustainability and also the how actually we certify the data center, right? So we have these programs, much more the programs. We have this PUE, we have this CUE, we have this WUE that helps the data center to sustain within the Malaysia. And we also looking forward to the accreditation of the data center as well. So because these are important for them, because we're not only looking that we invest something from outside and park in Malaysia, but we actually accelerate what the technology, and we are giving some of our supplier the most of the business that we have here. So to support, everyone support this, to involve this data center and cloud. Yeah, definitely, because we are actually in SIRIM, we are looking towards to that. Because as what we want, we're not only just adopt and adapt from outside. We actually adopt it and adapt to our local scenario, our local environment. So that's why we need to have this local standard and also local certification for us. It's not only for Malaysia, but the whole of Southeast Asia that can apply and comply with this. That is from our overall from SIRIM Berhad. Yeah, the event is so good, and it's good for us to sharing our what we have, what government have, and how to actually industry work together. So we are bridging this. If we are bridging some, from one industry to the community and also to the citizen, and what we have and what we already did, and so that everyone knows what we are facing.
What do you want to say?
Excellent.